So, Ritika, you are a founder, speaker, community builder, and you have built a life around impact and change.
Right.
But if I take all of that away, how do you define yourself right now?
Oh dear Lord, this is a question right from the internet because they always say कि अगर तुम ये नहीं हो तो तुम क्या हो? So you take all your designations, your profiles, or everything away. I think if I was to define myself, I did try to work on this a little bit. I couldn't find any answers. And now that you've asked me a question and put me in a spot, I'm going to give it a shot. I think I would just define myself as a kind human being, very curious, um, very attuned to the idea that life is temporary. Death scares me. So I know that I have limited time here and I don't know when it's going to happen, whether it's the next 1 hour or the next 20 years. I really don't know. So I like to now focus on things which are slightly more important and where I feel that I can leave a legacy behind. And I'm just a curious person. मेरे को सब कुछ करना है. I want to do this, I want to do that. I just feel that my time is so limited that I want to, in this janam, only do as much as I can. So if you take everything away from me, if you take all my designations, all my profiles, everything away from me, I think I'm just a kind person trying to do some kindness, make this world a better place, and smile at people, smile at a rickshawala, say thank you, gain some wisdom from people who are far more wise than I am. And just here, come do my thing and hopefully go and hopefully चार लोग रोने के लिए आ जाएंगे. So yeah, that's what I want.
That कड़ी वाला कड़ी चावल वाला and you are maybe he won't think like that.
बड़ी चावल वाले से really मेरे को
I understand.
I'm thinking something else. I'm like, dude, the confidence on his face. Madam, वो हार्ले डेविडसन इस तरफ है. I was like, but, and by the time when I was having that conversation with him is when I was pulling out your location and I said, it says directly there. And I said, okay, I'll just follow my instinct and go and I'll trust this person. And he said, नहीं, मैं कहा भैया आगे नहीं है. I asked him this question, आगे नहीं है. And there are 5 people standing there. इसलिए मैडम वो उसी तरफ है. So I'm like, okay, ये भी एक तरीके का confidence होता है. So I mean, ठीक है, ignorance is bliss, I guess, sometimes. So yeah.
You talked about डेथ वाला थिंग सो कुछ बहुत लोग मतलब जैसे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो लाइक बेसिकली डेथ से कुछ लोग होते हैं लाइक द वन स्कूल ऑफ थॉट इज़ कि दे आर स्केर्ड ऑफ डेथ जैसे आप हो दूसरा स्कूल ऑफ थॉट इज़ कि दे आर नॉट स्केर्ड ऑफ डेथ कि होना तो है ही है तो वाई टू बी स्केर्ड ऑफ एंड लूज मतलब कुछ लोगों को मोटिवेट करता है कुछ लोगों को डीमोटिवेट करता है ये चीज़
True that.
हाँ सो
True that.
तो वो स्कूल ऑफ थॉट में भी होता है ना कि वाई टू अफ्रेड ऑफ इट कि भाई मतलब दे रहा है कि यार मर तो सबने जाना ही है तो इतना आज के सिचुएशन पे इस चीज़ की मुझे एंजाइटी क्यों हो रही है क्योंकि मरना तो सबने ही है लेट्स डू दैट थिंग जिससे मैं सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक यू नो आई एम एंक्शियस और आई एम स्केर्ड फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोफेशनली भी लोग इसको एज अ मोटिवेशनल चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं सो आपका इस पे क्या टेक है कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस
So I think, so I'll tell you, I think my context is a little different, and those of your listeners or people who are viewing this video, those who are single, as in single parents, men or women, either, I think they'll be able to relate to what I'm saying more because when you are a single parent, you know that there are two children, and no matter how old they grow, you are always needed. So it is largely that I don't want to go from this world because I just need to be there for them. And in my case, it's a little more contextual because I lost my father when I was 15. My mom is 75 now. I mean, it's almost 36 years that I lost my dad. So I'm the child of a single parent. So mama ko matlab cheek bhi aati hai. So the whole household goes absolutely berserk. That mama ko agar kahin pain ho raha hai, kuch ho raha hai, my brother and I, we just completely lose it, that what is happening to. Ab hum thode se बड़े हो गए हैं, more in charge हो गए, more in control हो गए. So पता भी है if something like this happens, we know there's doctors, there's medication. But when we were younger, when I was 15, my brother was 12, हमारी तो सारी जिंदगी हमारी मॉम के आसपास चलती थी. So I think one of the best things which I ever heard my mom ever say that is that the best thing that I can give to you children is great health. Because then you don't have to worry about me. So I try to do the same thing that I like to take care of myself. So it's not that death is not scary. I mean, I'd be lying to you to say that. Yes, I'm scared. Yes, I do get anxious about it. Yes, I'm an overthinker. So, yes, I thought about it. Some random stuff we will say. But also, I think for both of you, it's very important to know that in the Indian cultural context, death is fundamentally not something we all discuss openly in a family setup. मतलब even if your 100-year-old grandparent will say कि हुन तो मैं चलनी आ या मैं चलना, we'll say अरे मुंह से शुभ शुभ बोलो type. So we don't do that. We don't have these discussions at home. We don't talk about wills. We don't talk about in case something like this happens. In case this. So I think fundamentally as a cultural thing हम लोग इसके बारे में नहीं बात करते, उसको अशुभ माना जाता है कि मुंह से बात मत करो. But I think now things are changing. Now we encourage these conversations at home, especially if you have aged parents, especially if you have dependent siblings, if you have dependent children, you have a dependent wife or a husband for that matter. I think these conversations now need to happen. People need to know. Like I would tell my children that there are ये तीन लोग हैं ना इनको mere funeral pe mat banana type. So we're having those conversations, maybe not like deep dived, but yes, in like my son is 24, my daughter just turned 19. So largely a lot of the investments are in my son's name because he became an adult 18 earlier. So then I keep telling him that in case something ever happens to me, just make sure that the everything is divided 50-50. It cannot be even 51-49. So we're having those conversations, and yes, I am scared of death. I do want to deal with
नहीं,
it.
बट आई लाइक दिस थिंग कि ये बहुत सही बात है कि इंडियन सोसाइटी में या इंडियन रिलीजियस एस्पेक्ट से देख लो, किसी भी एस्पेक्ट से देख लो, कि वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग डेथ एंड इट इज़ अ फिनोमेना कि जो होना ही है. सो आई थिंक पेरेंट्स शुड समटाइम्स सिट विद द चाइल्ड एंड डिस्कस अबाउट इट ऑल्सो कि होना ही होना है. सो कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ या कुछ बात पेरेंट्स करना चाहते हैं तो कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, सो दे डू दैट. सो वो बात सही है कि लाइफ में टाइम बहुत कम है, नहीं पता कब आने वाली है.
I mean, life is
Yeah,
unpredictable. I mean,
unpredictable. So I really like this approach of yours.
no, it's. I wish it was my approach because see, when I lost my dad was 15, my younger brother was 12. We were lost. I mean, it just happened suddenly. We lost him in an air crash. So life was completely topsy-turvy. My mom didn't even know how to sign a check. I'm not saying that women should learn or men should learn how to sign a check because this could happen. But the idea is that something has to be there to make sure that the family is comfortable post whoever goes. It is not just about the man or the woman or anybody for that matter. It is just about making it easier for everybody else since you know that this is what they wanted. I mean, I've had a friend, there's a crazy ass guy that I know. He was diagnosed with a brain tumor. So the doctors gave him a week to survive. He was in the hospital. So उसने अपना मतलब he planned his entire funeral. उसने पैसे अपने सारे charities में दे दिए. Conversations are happening. This all happened out of Mexico. सब ड्रामा हो रहा है, सब कुछ चल रहा है वहाँ पे. And he said, "This is a song I want to, my funeral. During my funeral, I want to play this song." ये सब हो गया. And then he's still living. It's been 8 years now. तो इसे मैं सारे पैसे वापस ले रहा हूँ. सब कर रहा हूँ. These conversations happen outside. People even tell them what kind of flowers they want for their funerals, etc. हमारे यहाँ पे उसको शुभ माना जाता है. तो I think वो है, वी नॉट सेइंग कि यार 24 घंटे बैठ के इसी की बात करो, बट once in 6 months those conversations happen for an hour sitting with the family members together that this is what happens. Like, I know a couple from Bombay, they were my neighbors, and they've never till date traveled in any aircraft or any train together at the same time. Even if they're going for a holiday, they will take different this thing because they say that we don't want to, it's a thing which may or may not happen. We don't know. So we don't want our kids to lose to both parents together. So that logic. So very few people talk about it. But I think little conversations around that, practical conversations around that need to happen.
And not just that, I lost my father at 14 as well.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
When I talk to people who lose their father or mother or someone close to them, I see that people uh, feel that they miss the conversations, like what they wanted in life, what they liked, what they wanted to do but they never told you. So like after my dad passed away, I try to have those conversations with my mother कि आपको क्या करना है, मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट मैं मतलब ये तो होता ही है जो हम कहते हैं कि एक मदर को अपने बच्चे को सक्सेसफुल देखना, दोनों बच्चों को, ठीक है, बट आपको क्या करना है, आपको कौन सी जगह देखनी है, मतलब ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस भी एक और एक बॉन्ड अच्छा बन जाता है। आई थिंक ठीक है, डेथ की कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टरवर्ड्स वो तो ठीक है, बट व्हाट दे वांटेड व्हेन दे वर लिविंग, और एट द सेम टाइम वो विजडम इम्पार्ट होना कि, क्योंकि सब सोचते हैं कि यार अगर वो होते तो इस टाइम पे क्या कहते हैं, आई थिंक वो कॉन्वर्सेशन से ज़्यादा और बॉन्ड बनता है जो आई थिंक फैमिलीज़ को डेप्थ पे कनेक्ट कर देता है।
Yeah, I'm just, I don't know, I don't have words to say. I'm so sorry for your loss.
आई हैव वन फिलोसफी रिगार्डिंग दिस, और रिसेंटली वो बना है मेरे लाइफ में कि, एंड दैट फिलोसफी इज़ अबाउट कि जब हम स्टार्टिंग से, स्पेसिफिकली आई फील कि जो लड़के लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जो अपनी फैमिली के साथ उस तरह से बॉन्ड नहीं कर पाते अपनी मदर्स और फादर से एज़ कम्पेयर टू गर्ल्स। आई हैव सीन इन माई फैमिलीज़ कि ऐसे बॉन्ड नहीं बन पाता, लाइक सो तो मेरी फैमिली में स्टार्टिंग से ऐसा ही था कि मतलब लड़के इज़ लाइक कि हाँ थोड़ा सा वो थोड़ा अपनी फीलिंग दिखानी इमोशनली, लाइक हाँ हम क्यों हग करें किसी को जाके, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग। सो ये मेरे साथ भी था ऐसा ही। बट एट वन पॉइंट आई रियलाइज, आई डोंट नो 2018-19 कॉलेज में कब, आई डोंट नो, तो जिसमें आई मेड अ रूल फॉर माई सेल्फ कि देखो डेथ तो आना है, ठीक है, मेरे पेरेंट्स भी जाएंगे, सब सारे मेरे आसपास के सारे पीयर्स जाएंगे और मैंने भी जाना है एक बार, राइट, ठीक है। तो और अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट नो कब आना है, फॉर्चुनेटली पता भी होए तो इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर अस कि पता है डेथ आने वाला है, तो वी कैन डू द थिंग्स कि जो हम करना चाहते हैं या जो उसके बाद होगी जो और फ्रीली कर पाएंगे हम अभी, अगर लोगों को पता लग जाता है ऐसे। तो आई मेड अ रूल कि मैं अब आई डोंट नो कि मैं ये रिग्रेट नहीं करना चाहता कि मेरे किसी भी रिलेटिव की या किसी भी मेरे घर पे पेरेंट्स की डेथ हुई, और मैं ये रिग्रेट नहीं करूँगा कि मैंने यार इनसे बात ही नहीं करी बैठ के, मैंने इनके साथ बैठा, मैंने कुछ दिल खोल के बात ही नहीं करी, मैंने इनको दिल खोल के बताया है नहीं कि यार मेरे को तो मैं मतलब ये मैंने ये करी है, शैतानियाँ करी हैं या ऐसी कुछ भी बात, एक्स वाई जी थिंग्स।
Anything, yeah.
सो मैंने कभी इनको दिल खोल के हग ही नहीं किया। तो दैट वाज द डे कि मैं अपने घर पे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ थोड़ा सा चेंज होना शुरू हो गया। आई एकदम से नहीं हो पाया, बट नाउ आई गो, आई हग माई मॉम, आई हग माई डैड, आई डू दैट कि बिकॉज, और उनके साथ मैं बैठ के उनको मैं हर बात करता हूँ, और मैं बोलता हूँ आपको पता होना चाहिए, ये बातें होनी चाहिए, चाहे उनको बात नहीं पसंद आती मेरी, वो को बहुत बातें हैं कि अब हम जनरेशनल गैप में नहीं पसंद आता उनको, बट आई डू दैट, आई टेल देम एवरीथिंग। फिर बाद में दे आर थोड़ा सा गुस्सा विद मी, पर आई एम लाइक कि मुझे बता रहा था यार, आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्या हो गया इसमें, कौन सी बड़ी बात है।
The child, I mean, every aspect of your life needs to be. So I'm glad you raised this because this is exactly what we call a patriarchal mindset. And it affects the boys as well. I mean, I feel so bad for the men and the boys around us because देखो औरतों का तो हमें पता है, आई थिंक इट्स ऑल ओवर इंस्टाग्राम, आप कहीं पे इंटरनेट पे चले जाओ आपको पता है कि व्हाट दे आर फेसिंग। यू नो मेन का क्या होता है दैट now आपको चोट लगी है, मुझे चोट लगी, this mic falls on my foot, it falls on your foot, I can cry like a baby because I'm expressing my emotions, मुझे चोट लगी, हाय ये हो गया वो हो गया, God forbid if something that I lose, like when I lost my father, I can cry, I can do being a woman, that I'm allowed to express those emotions. But you cannot cry. You're as physically hurt as I am. You also feel pain. I mean, that's human nature to feel pain, right? Now you can't express it. So हम लोगों ने emotions between man and women divide किए हुए हैं. Men have suppressed emotion. Do you know that the suicidal rate of men in India is the highest? Because of suppressed emotions. Exactly because you would not go and hug your parents, you will not go and talk to them, dil ki baat, you will not show your vulnerability because you're a man, because you have to be a certain way, right? So I think those conversations now, thankfully, your generation is having. There is realization, there is enough content on the internet to make you aware. Now there are no excuses. I mean, now if you don't go and hug your mom, there is something seriously wrong with you. Then you need therapy. It's as simple as that. So I think वो थोड़ा सा change हम लोगों को करना है. Women are not allowed to show anger because that's supposed to be a male emotion. I mean, ये किसने decide किया कौन कर रहा है? Human beings are human beings. Everybody must be allowed to express all emotions. It's as simple as that. So I'm very happy and very glad that though the trigger for doing what you're doing right now may not be the right reasons for doing it, but you're on the right track. So I'm very happy. And for you, I just have to say that it is an extremely traumatic experience. It's been 36 years of my dad, and मेरे को आज भी ऐसा लगता है ये कल की बात है. So as a human being, I'm reaching out to you and I'm saying that if ever you feel the need to talk or have a conversation about how difficult it is to live with one single parent, I will always be there for you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for saying that. But coming back to what you were saying, don't you think that conversations like this, when they move from to one extreme to the other extreme, they get too extremized? Like, for example, we were talking about vulnerability, or maybe girls showing anger and guys showing maybe if they want to cry, they are crying. But I think we somewhere lose to be in the middle. Do you think so?
Yeah, because that's human nature. ये balance कौन सिखा रहा है हमें? Nature is supposed to be very balanced, but आपके tornadoes भी आते हैं, आपके thunderstorms
But
भी
वो
आते हैं,
balance
आपके
के
earthquakes. हाँ, but ये भी आपके balance के लिए ही होते हैं. So after everything, there is calm, right? If you believe that an earthquake has happened to balance something out, in the same way, you probably have had an emotional outburst to balance something out. It is a natural human emotion to show anger. I don't ever get upset with people because they're angry. I mean, हमारे घर में ये rule है amongst both my kids that if one person is in an elevated state of mind, which could be any three of us, all three of them are allowed to show anger, cry, vulnerability, etc., etc. But yes, I always tell them that you cannot disrespect me. You were angry at someone, did something wrong to you, blah blah blah. You please express. You be angry. You can show me, mama, this, you want to use bad language, please go ahead, do it. It's all fine. I'm here, I'm listing it out. पर मेरे को डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं आप कर सकते. और अगर आपने हल्का सा कर भी दिया मुझे, that suppose you're driving the car and someone cuts and then I'm saying रफ्ते जिसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे ले लो, and he said मम्मा आप ऐसे क्यों? So he's allowed to do that, but then it has to be followed by an apology because he was in an elevated state of mind. But then we also establish boundaries. So ये होता है, it's okay, it's normal. Unless until you are in a completely different extreme and कि हाँ तुम violent behavior पे आ गए and all of that, then I think I highly recommend therapy for a lot of people. I mean, that is really, really
But there's
important.
somewhere need of emotional intelligence for extreme anger, for extreme vulnerability as well. So we had an emotional intelligence coach on our pod, and he was telling, like, we asked him, should men cry like if they are watching a movie together? If a male feels like I have to cry, but in a group of males, he cannot. So his response was that you are allowed to choose your vulnerability and where you want to be vulnerable. So I think that is emotional intelligence. Yeah, you are allowed to be angry. You have that whatever you are saying, like repercussions, ये होगा ये होगा ये होगा. But at the end आपको कहीं कहीं इंटेलिजेंट भी तो होना है कि यार अगर मेरे को गुस्सा आता है तो मेरे को कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, इसको भी तो मैं ठीक कर सकता हूँ.
हम इसी को इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी, इसी को अडल्टिंग बोलते हैं ना. लाइक आई नो पीपल हु विल behave like 5-year-old kids. It's like, मेरे को तो ये चाहिए, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, मैं तो ऐसी हूँ. I'm like, dude, you are 25 years old, you are 30 years old, you are 50 years old. This does not work anymore. 5 साल का बच्चा होता है, वो जमीन पे लेट जाएगा और बोलेगा कि या लेट जाएगी for that matter and say मुझे तो लॉलीपॉप खाना है, मुझे तो आइसक्रीम खानी है. We can't do it because we're adults. That's what adulting is all about, where you know what needs to be done, what needs to be said, how you're. This is what I think a lot of us, as our parents, मुझे लगता है parenting ना world over बहुत underrated है. I don't think we teach our children how to live lives. हम उनको सिर्फ एक कैटेगरी में डाल देते हैं कि अच्छा आप पढ़ो लिखो, नंबर आ जाएंगे, मार्क्स आ जाएंगे, अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन हो जाएगी, अच्छी लड़की से शादी हो जाएगी, पैकेज अच्छा हो जाएगा, घर बना लोगे, बच्चे हो जाएंगे, and that's what we do. But we never really teach them how to live a life, the things that are really important to us. हम कोई माँ बाप नहीं सिखाता अपने बच्चों को. I think parenting is so damn underrated in this country.
बट वो आप टीच कर सकते हो या you can show it by living yourself like that.
See, everybody is not equipped to be a parent. This also we need to understand. मेरा तो ये बड़ा पुराना जोक होता था that I used to tell my friends, ऐसे गवर्नमेंट को ना पहले एक फॉर्म भराना चाहिए मेंटल हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ का, from every man, every woman, to say that are you even equipped to be a parent? Parenting, I'm telling you, 95% of broken adults all had childhood trauma. आजकल ये वर्ड बहुत अब्यूज हो गया कि मेरी माँ ने मेरे पे शाउट किया, मेरे डैड ने मेरे पे शाउट किया तो मेरे साथ ट्रॉमा हो गया. दैट्स नॉट ट्रॉमा. Trauma is losing a parent at an early age and not being able to cope with those emotions. Somebody coming and telling you, "ये तो जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है." Those are traumatic experiences. And if you've lost a loved one, that is real trauma. Somebody has been sexually abused as a child. That is real trauma. We're talking. I'm not undermining anybody here, but I'm just generally अभी तो हम जरा से कुछ होता है तो हम बोलते हैं हमारे childhood trauma हो गया, we just really abused it because in the children younger age has, they just picked it up.
थेरेपिस्ट पे भाग जाते हैं.
हाँ मतलब पर एक चीज है, एटलीस्ट अवेयरनेस होनी शुरू हो गई, एटलीस्ट द पीपल आर हैविंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस, पेरेंट्स आर बिकमिंग माइंडफुल. अब देखो ना, एक छोटी सी चीज है, आप बच्चे को बोलते हो तुम ये दूध पियो बॉर्नविटा वाला, अगर नहीं पियोगे तो बाहर से बुड्ढा बाबा आ जाएगा. हम सबने बचपन में ये देखा है सुनते हुए. ना व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज ग्रोइंग अप, they either have fear of बुड्ढा बाबा and then you're saying तुम बुड्ढा बाबा से क्यों डर रहे हो? बुड्ढा बाबा तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. मैंने ये करना है तो काट आ जाएगी ये करने के लिए. आप खुद ही अपने बच्चे में इतना फियर डाल देते हो ऑफ delivering. And I think these things need to be dissociated. Parenting is a very, very hard and tough game to play. There is so much of sacrifice. You have to walk the talk. Children don't copy what you say, they just see what you do. In fact, before you both asked me that, ma'am, what is it that you want to talk about, so I sent a message in the group. We have a family group, और मैंने पूछा उनसे कि मैंने कहा, if you, any one of you, there are two adults there and there are four young kids, and I said, sorry, one adult and three young kids, and I asked all four of them that if you were to come to me for advice, what would you come to me for advice on? And the answers were like douche. I was like, okay, this. And it's surprising that, how your kids perceive you, what they think that you can deliver. So I think sometimes you have to be a very, very, very mature person to handle children. I have made some mistakes in the past, not something that I'm proud of. I think अब उसको मैं एक्सक्यूज जो मर्जी दे दूं. I was going through a divorce, we didn't have money, everything was piling up, I was trying to run content factory, so I was not exactly an ideal mother for a lot of reasons. I was there for the children, I was doing stuff, God has been kind, they turned out well, but there were things I did I'm not very proud of. I mean, I shouldn't have said some harsh words to the kids. वो मेरी अपनी frustration निकल रही थी, but I have tried to do it right because now I'm aware. वो एक situation थी वहां से निकल, but a lot of parents don't do it. I think all of us deal with it. I mean, some very harsh words said by a parent. वो होता है, तुम movies में भी देख रहे हो तो हमेशा you're good for nothing, good for nothing. One child is always, and then suddenly they are rebellious, and suddenly they become a certain type. So I think most relationships in the world can be handled with just basic kindness. अगर if you're just a kind person, आपका कोई भी रिश्ता हो, चाहे आपके स्पाउस के साथ हो, चाहे आपके सिबलिंग के साथ हो, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट के साथ हो, आपका प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप हो, बेसिक काइंडनेस विल सॉल्व 95% of your relationship issues. Unless and until you run into someone who is manipulative, narcissistic, blah blah blah, not a nice person, agenda driven, etc., then things are different. But largely, 95% of the times, just being a kind person will solve all your relationship. It's rather complicated, Henry.
Like we are talking about parenting and emotions, so I had a question in my mind ki how the world felt after that unfortunate incident of your divorce. From ki like how, like there will be toll on you also, but आपके children पे भी एक अलग toll होगा, तो how you, like how you coped up with that.
So I will tell you, I think the first 5, 6 years, multiple things are happening. One, we shifted cities from Bombay to Chandigarh. Then financially, we were down and out completely. My son was 9, my daughter was 5. So उनको ना इतना मैंने busy कर दिया था कि उनको मैंने फील ही नहीं होने दिया कि कुछ बहुत अर्थ shattering हो गया है. Obviously हुआ था उनके लिए, and it was unfortunately not a very pleasant mutual consent kind of a divorce. We fought 5, 7 years in the courts as well, so messy at both ends. I mean, that's how it was. The children ka, I think they started to realize after 3 or 4 years that something big has happened, because I would be so protective about them that I would that the day my daughter would go to another class and there would be a change of teachers, so I would go to the school, I would speak to the teacher that please make sure पापा के ऊपर कोई conversations ना हो, ऐसे पापा पे मत लिखवाना, अगर कर रही हो तो generic कर देना, my daughter's being, you know, in a sense, this is exactly what I would do to my son's teacher as well. Every time वो बच्चे class होते हैं ना 4th to 5th to 6th, so every time I would go to the school teachers. I think after 5 years I stopped. I said I think they're grown up enough to now sort things out. We never spoke negatively about the whole thing. My experiences were my experiences. When I say that some of the mistakes I made was probably I was piling on a lot of things that I could not handle onto them. My son grew up faster, my daughter grew up faster. Thankfully, I was a work from home parent. So, luckily, I mean, things are largely under my control. Safety, security of my kids was taken care of. Mom was always at home. So, that was not a problem. But I think somewhere I probably piled my adult issues on young children. When I say the mistakes I made, this is one of them. So then I realized that, you know, that if I'm having a problem dealing with something, my 19-year-old son is not the person to go to. He's 23 now. He's not the person to go to. I need an adult to go to. I cannot be piling this on to my children. So I think those mistakes I made, and now I just let them be. अब मेरे को कोई इशू आता है एज एन अडल्ट थिंग्स विच रिक्वायर अडल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस दैट अगर कहीं पे कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है कहीं पे कुछ और ऐसे यू नो द थिंग्स विच डोंट रिक्वायर 19-year-olds or 20-year-olds to be around you. I have that conversation and I built a ecosystem of friends, my family, where I can go and have those adult conversations and get adult points of views. मस्ती मजाक आप बच्चों के साथ करते हो, they know it each and every point of time where I am. हमारे तीनों के trackers shared हैं. So we and I didn't even know that they had put a tracker in my phone. I just got to know after a week and suddenly I'm coming out of a meeting and I was like, sorry kids, couldn't call you because I was at CIS. हमें पता है मैं तुम्हें किसी को tracker लगाया हुआ है. मैं कहीं थोड़ा उल्टा नहीं हो जाए यहाँ पे. No, we know exactly where you're. So at any given point in time, we know where the other two are at. So TK, I mean, there are, I think one of the mistakes that I made was this that you just have to let young children be young children. I did offer therapy to both of them that in case you feel that you still have some unprocessed emotions, that you still feel very strongly about a couple of things, you still have questions that demand answers or reasons as to what happened. I'm still happy to, because even if I talk to them, it is still going to be my point of view, which is no matter what you say or do, it has to be, you know, biased with me. I mean, not against me. So वो option उनको दी हुई है. So I think so far God has been kind, touch wood, they're in a good place. But yes, the absence of a father figure in children's lives cannot be underestimated. It I just believe that they bring a completely different thought process to a child's life. I'm talking about a normal, good, invested father. When I'm saying invested father, not that जो आके report card पे sign करके बोलता है कि चलो हो गया, my job is done and the wife is taken. I mean, people, fathers who actually go out play sports with their kids, go out for movies together, go for vacations together, just the 4 people or 3 people in a family. I mean, I'm talking about those dads. I think they bring something very beautiful to a child's life because the child learns two different perspectives on life, you know. So mother plays her role. I'm not saying uska role घरेलू है, but they're just two different perspectives. And as a single parent, when I have to do that, मतलब अभी डांट पिट रही और अभी मम्मा बना रहे हैं, so मतलब बच्चे बेचारे confused हो जाते हैं कि मतलब direction में what are we really supposed to do? So at any given stage, I always say that children do get definitely you know affected by this, some more some less, and to each their own. हर घर का सिस्टम अलग होता है, हर पेरेंट अलग होता है, हर लड़ाई अलग होती है, हर डिवोर्स अलग होता है. So if you feel that the children need therapy, प्लीज गो हेड एंड इवन फॉर योरसेल्फ. अगर आपको लग रहा है आपसे भी इमोशंस प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहे हैं, यू आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल इट, therapy is very underrated. The therapist will just tell you how to deal with it. That's all. ना वो आपका डिवोर्स कम कर सकते हैं, ना ज्यादा कर सकते हैं, ना आपको पैसे कमा के दे सकते हैं, ना आपके बच्चों का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. They cannot do anything. They can just help you process your emotions. So that you know, a lot of us take divorce very personally. Most people do, whether men or women both. ओ रिजेक्शन हो गया, मेरे से एक काम था, ये नहीं हुआ, सोसाइटी जज करेगी, फलाना होगा, ढिमकाना होगा, जो होता भी है. But I think at the end of the day, you have to figure it out for yourself. You have to take, after 5 years, I say, don't do it then. Then you just have to hate the person, because otherwise, that was divorce becomes very difficult. But after 5 years, 6 years, take whatever time that works for you. Go back, realize, understand in hindsight what really happened. After some time, because I did this exercise, and it's one of the most painful things in the world that you will ever do in your life, is to go back and analyze why something did not work out. In my case, I realized it was patterns. I realized in my case that a lot of what I went through, and then it started to show up in different relationships, not just with my ex-spouse. I have no concept of boundaries. मेरे पास boundaries का concept ही नहीं था. You could walk and say anything to me and walk away, and I'm like, oh, बेचारा कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. And then I would take it personally that, oh, he said that Ritika ma'am ने जो कपड़े डाले थे, I didn't like the color she was wearing and all of that. I mean, you don't like yellow color. It's like literally your problem, not mine, right? But then I would take it personally on myself. "Arey, मेरे को yellow." Then suddenly all the yellow will go from my wardrobe. I was that kind of a people pleaser. That person with zero boundaries. मतलब -10 ही होंगी, zero भी नहीं होंगी. So I think in situations like this, when tragedies happen, uh, I think उस time पे analyze नहीं करना चाहिए. Nobody should do it. Take your time. Once you feel you're a little better and you can look back and not cry about it or not get overwhelmed by it, when you seem a little stable, whether you do it with a therapist, you do it yourself, is the time to actually, because very, very important to know why things didn't work out, whether it's your business, whether it's relationships, it could be anything.
One thing you mentioned about, I think you are at peace with it now, but you were mentioning that you did mistake as a parent. So I want to tell you and all the mothers in the world, I think you guys did the best job you could with what you have. Same to my mother, I would like to say that you are perfect in your imperfect ways, and that's why we love people. I think people need to hear that and take that load off themselves, that oh my god, I did that mistake, I did that mistake.
You're gonna make me cry. Um, yeah, I think we all need to forgive ourselves a little. Stop.
For the person like you is always taking toll on themselves, hyper
No, I
type
think
A.
what वही हम कहते हैं ना, before we were talking about it, कि वो मिठाई वाला कभी अपनी मिठाई नहीं खाता, so हम दुनिया को kindness दिखाते हैं, but sometimes we forget to be kind to ourselves also. So we also need to, like you would forgive and forget someone else, you need to do the same thing. I think a lot of us are very harsh on ourselves, which is true. So thank you for saying.
You did the best as you could do
We
at that
tried.
moment of time. Yeah,
We
of
tried.
course.
Let's try to know the entrepreneurial side.
Yeah.
Make it,
So
what is Content Factory and what do you do there?
So initially, we started as a content generation firm just about 13 years back. We rode the wave like a crazy. I mean, we made pots of money because the content नया नया आया था, LinkedIn, blogging, everything was just, beginning. The websites had started to happen. SEO was just at its peak at that point of time. So we essentially started as a blogging agency. एंड कंटेंट फैक्ट्री का मतलब वही था कि कंटेंट की हम फैक्ट्री है, तो हम कंटेंट जनरेट कर रहे थे. लार्जली इट वाज फॉर ब्लॉगिंग पर्पसेस. So there were contracts we had for over 100, 200 blogs we were writing for companies, so huge teams, and 300, 400 words wale, somebody would say 1000 word wale. So we wrote that wave pretty well. Then I realized that when I was writing for you, and you are a CEO of a company, and you said, oh, fantastic, I love what you've written. So I've written 4 articles for you, supposed to be posted once every week and all of that. then after some time you come to me and you say कि यार ये सब तो हृदय बहुत अच्छा है but हम इसके बाद कंटिन्यू नहीं करेंगे I'm like dude why I mean you just love my content etc I mean अब क्या हो गया so then you were saying कि मैं करूँ क्या इसका यार मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है बैठ के तुमने लिख दिया 12 आर्टिकल 3 महीना हो गया I don't know what to do with it I was desperate I was like dude I mean इतने क्लासी इतने सेक्सी आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं
Because
तुमने
of the ROI?
sorry
Because of the ROI?
because yeah, why? Because I mean, I'm delivering it just it's for him. It's just junk in his mail. I mean, very good, pat on the back, money paid. But then wow, what next for him and what next for me? So I was begging this person, okay, this founder of a company, and I said, and it was a very dear friend. I said कि यार तू प्लीज ना मेरे को अपना सोशल मीडिया का मैं लिंक्डइन पे तो डाल दूँ इतना अच्छा कंटेंट हमने लिखा हुआ है so nah he said अच्छा डाल दे but मेरे को तंग मत करना इसके लिए don't come back to me I said okay fine no so then they gave me access to the LinkedIn, they gave me access to Facebook. So हमने वो content उठा के वहाँ डालना शुरू कर दिया. And that's where we realized that from a content company, we will have to shift to being a social media company as well. Now, see, I was a housewife before. So all this is like I'm an autodidact, which means that अपने आप ही सीख लिया पढ़ लिया इंटरनेट से मेरा तो सारा धंधा इंटरनेट से चलता है सो वी फिगर्ड आउट थोड़ा बहुत मेरे मेंटर ने कुछ पढ़ा दिया समझा दिया ऐसे सोशल मीडिया होता है ये होता है एडवर्टाइजिंग पीआर का मेरा थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड था इन बॉम्बे आई डन अ 1 year ऑनलाइन कोर्स एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम व्हिच इज 2007-8 के आसपास kind of a thing I still remember my daughter was a year old then and so I understood some parts of branding I understood some parts of how social media marketing is done. How do you market a product? There's a lot of things. And from young age, I was interested in it, but never got an opportunity to be in the advertising world, so to say. So I think from there, the social media journey started. We started building social media content for our companies. So वहां से we hired smarter people, things happened. So हम बड़े होते गए. Then suddenly किसी ने एक दिन हमें बोला कि यार हमारी वेबसाइट बना दो. इससे पहले हमने collaborators रखे हुए थे because I used to always believe that for a client it's very important to come to one person and deal with that one person. Like we like to do in a bank. आप बैंक में जाओगे आपको एक रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर दिया हुआ है तो अगर आपको पैसे बाहर भेजने हैं आपको कोई चेकबुक चाहिए कुछ चाहिए आप एक ही बंदे के पास जाते हो लाइफ इज सो मच इजियर दे नो इट यू हैव टू एवरी टाइम टेल देम योर अकाउंट नंबर तुम्हें हर बारी उनको डिटेल नहीं देनी पड़ती मेरा एड्रेस क्या है मेरा क्या है यू सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से सो वी वांटेड टू बी दैट कंपनी फॉर a lot of our clients. So कोई वेबसाइट के लिए आया तो हमने कहा यार ये हम भी बना सकते हैं इतना कौन सा इसमें तोप है so then we started getting इससे पहले we were collaborating then we realized it's great money so we said okay fine let's just start hiring a team that can make websites so वहां से हमने वो शुरू किया so हम वेबसाइट अच्छा ब्रांडिंग का मुझे शौक था I'm not trained to be a brand strategist. I'm not trained. Google is my university and Google is my degree. Now ChatGPT and Claude. So, I started branding purely out of a passionate need to tell brands where they're wrong. And I used to view a brand always as a customer, whether it was mine or someone else's. Like what STF is doing, what Content Factory is doing. I would think of it as a brand that, okay, if I was to come to you, what is my expectation out of you? So one, we would make sure we have great relationships with our clients. So हमारे पास 8 साल के बाद भी calls आती हैं because my number hasn't changed and people still call यार तुम अभी भी वो Content Factory को चला रही हो क्या मतलब those kind of relationships we built. So then branding happened again we hired a lot of people who understood मेरे को branding language vocabulary सीखनी पड़ी because it was not something that I'm just a instinctive brand strategist I mean you tell me to write copy I can write it you tell me to write a one liner for a business I can write it this we've done it for so many companies across the world sorry no, just something stuck in my throat. Sorry about that. So, anyways, so we've done so many companies, and then we realized कि हम अब we want to be a one all kind. So हम obviously सब कुछ in house नहीं hire कर पा रहे थे because the cost were becoming too. And I still work from home. My team is entirely virtual. So हम 13 साल से work from home ही चल रहा है. So then we realized that project to project basis काम आ रहा था. मेरे लिए as a single parent the liabilities were too much at that point in time. Could not afford a regular office or something. मैं कही ठीक है यार ये चल रहा है बच्चों भी घर पे हैं so you kind of have largely a lot more control and care for your kids because you're home. So वहां से धीरे धीरे करके now we are fundamentally what we do is that we are global branding agency, which we help brands to establish themselves ग्लोबली. अब उसमें आपकी ब्रांड की पोजीशनिंग भी हो सकती है, उसमें आपके ब्रांड के कलर्स एंड लोगो भी हो सकते हैं, उसमें आपकी सोशल मीडिया मार्केट भी हो सकती है, उसमें आपकी एसईओ भी हो सकती है, उसमें आपका वेबसाइट भी हो सकता है, लोगो भी हो सकता है, परसेप्शन ऑफ द ब्रांड भी हो सकता है, और आपकी ब्रांड की स्टोरी भी हो सकती है कि आप उसकी कहानी क्या सुना रहे हो. Why suddenly you say, like, I remember I'm doing this Goldman Sachs program with IIM Lucknow Abhi recently, and one of the girls, amazing woman, I love her to death. Okay, she was like, I said, what are you doing now? So she said, I was doing some random stuff. My husband is in the army, तो टीचिंग के अलावा और कोई ऑप्शन मिलती नहीं. 1-2 साल किया, फिर मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई, फिजिकल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम. फिर मैंने कहा यार अब ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, तो मैंने कहा चलो स्कूल खोल लो. मैंने कहा बहन, this is not a brand narrative, it's not a brand story, we have to make it better. I mean, you have to tell your jury or your investor that you are, passionate about education. तुमने कुछ ट्रेनिंग लिए, कुछ ये नहीं, अब बोर हो रहे हो स्कूल से. That's not how it works. So I love that honesty. I love, and that was actually the honest. Then I said, okay, ex person, think a little, थोड़ा अपना और deep thought करो, थोड़ा introspection करो, कुछ करो. That why did you start what you started? Then she came out with a real brand story that I was very kicked about. Teaching, education, nation building का उसको, she's a because army background. So वहां से कहानी बनी शुरू हुई. Army background, so patriotism के लिए she was like, we're not building the right kind of students, we're not giving them the kind of education, catch them young. So she's doing now primary school, whatever, trying to get things right from day one. मतलब वो day one से, so that now has become a brand story. Not कि मैं बोर हो रही थी, मैं चलो एक स्कूल खोल लेते. Like, dude, opening a school is like real shit. I mean, it's not something you do just because you're bored. Not saying that you don't, but that's not what you tell for the optics of it all. So the सामने वाले बंदे में तुम्हारा, like, मेरे पास कितने क्वेश्चंस आते थे, ये तुम मचड़ते हो, what's your background? तो मैं ये क्या बोलूं? Google is my university, Google is my degree. I'm sorry, I was outside before. This is what I know and this is what I can do. अब तुम देख लो, leap of faith लेके मेरे साथ काम करोगे, या you will bet your money on me or not. Just take that and see it. So there are people who walked away. That's fine. There are clients who walked away. They said that आजकल तो कुछ पता नहीं, आपकी ना कोई एमपी है ना कोई एमबीए, कुछ नहीं आता तुमको, तो हम सॉरी विल नॉट वर्क विद इट. जस्ट फाइन टू, वी लॉस्ट सम क्लाइंट्स देयर, बट दैट्स इट. इट्स
Right now, can you give us some examples of clients you are working right now in India or outside?
यार मैं ना बड़ी देर से मेरे अंदर से ना वो फूट फूट के आ रहा था कि हमें बहुत सारे, वी डन सम अमेजिंग वर्क. एंड आई टेल यू द रीजन व्हाई. आई डू सम नेम ड्रॉपिंग करती हूँ. सो our biggest clients, okay, are these two companies called Safran and Syngenta. They literally run the world. Okay, and we didn't realize it till, and I'll tell you how I'd forgotten about Safran के लिए हमने काम किया था about 8-9 साल पहले. So the gentleman who was our contact for Safran, we were just having a, somebody was visiting Chandigarh, so he put in a recommendation that तुम जा रहे हो चंडीगढ़ तो रितिका से मिल लो, इसने हमारे लिए 8 साल पहले बहुत अच्छा काम किया, तो why not give it a short, meet her, she's active in TIE and this and that, तो जाके मिल लो. तो मैंने तो we were just having a chat about it, and I was like, okay. And then he said, अरे तुम when were you working with this company? ऐसे साफरान के साथ हमने, फिर साफरान, मैंने कहा यार, then somebody else during that conference is presenting and said that Safran is one of, I'm like calling up my team and saying कि हम क्या, मतलब what language should I use to say कि are we idiots, are we not talking about this? Then we work for Safran, which is one of the top 10 companies in the world right now. And I'm not saying valuable companies in terms of money, because that will either go to an Apple or a Google or something like that. So not talking about that. Syngenta is a company which literally runs the world. Which literally runs the world. They are the ones who do all the climate in the entire world. And I'm not talking only one part. I mean, it's a French company. It's like across the world. So, and I'm like, we've done work with them. We've literally run an incubator and literally run an accelerator program for them. So, ये name dropping मेरा करने का बड़ा दिल कर रहा था. I'm glad you asked me this question. But within the country also, I think we've been very, very fortunate to work with some of the bigger names in the industry. एक नाम मैं और drop करूंगी. You all know Nandan Nilekani. So there was a very small article that I did for him, I'd say 7-8 years back. And is the most perfect gentleman you will ever meet. That right now, if I write a mail to him, I will get an answer in 30 minutes. I mean, not about me, but I'm sure he'll do it to anybody. So name dropping, अगर आपने आज मेरे से करवा ली, तो I'm very happy to do it. It's something that I usually don't do, but yes, we've worked with some of the best companies in the world. Across, I think, about 33 diverse sectors. हमने, should I say it? Shouldn't say. I should say it. We've had a company that was selling edible lingerie. So हमने वो काम भी किया हुआ है. I mean, which I don't think any company can say that they have done it within 6-7 years back, when it was not even a thing, when people were not allowed to even do marketing on that. Facebook had very heavy restrictions, so you could not even market it. So मतलब हमारा सारा दिमाग वहां पे लग जाता था कि इसको बेचे कैसे? How do you sell this kind of a thing? So I think the experience of it all has been superbly diverse for us. So अब हम ये करते हैं. One more thing
हाँ
I want to
sure.
add now that you, since I have the mic. So I'm also a ghostwriter. So I don't know. Do you both know what a ghostwriter is?
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही था, बट आप बताइए.
I'll make it like so. Ghostwriting, essentially, for people who don't know, is that you help someone write a book, or you write it on their behalf, or whatever portion you want to. You are paid very well for it, but you don't get credit for it anywhere. So I have ghostwritten about 13 books so far. We're on the 14th one, जो अभी रुकी पड़ी है, because हमारे वो तीनों writers, both are, or the three co-authors, वो तीनों are in different parts of the city, of the country, sorry. So we're not able to get Bombay, Delhi, and one more city. Don't remember where he is, and Chandigarh too. And my other co-founder, I mean, my other writer, ghost writer, is based out of Pune. So ये हमारा तालमेल नहीं बैठ रहा है, but we've done some phenomenal work for ghostwriting. So it has started from stages like you tell me that Ridhya, मेरा ना दिल कर रहा है कहानी लिखने. I mean, I want to write a book. I feel like writing a book. So right from that stage to a stage where you could come and say that I've written something, it's largely done, but I'm not so sure about it. I need an editor to edit out and make it more readable, etc. So we've done both those extremes. So yeah.
कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा बीइंग अ घोस्ट राइटर कि आपने एक बुक लिखा किसी के लिए एंड इट वाज इमेंसली सक्सेसफुल इन दैट फील्ड, और आपको हो रहा है कि यार किसके बताऊँ किसी को कि मैंने लिखी है यार, ये इतनी इतनी क्या बात कर दी मैंने यहाँ पे. तो ऐसा ऐसा फील एक्सपीरियंस तो होता होगा आपको भी ऐसा ना.
पता है हुआ क्या था? We were writing this book for this lady, okay, and we are on NDA, so we can't mention anything. हमारी बुक खत्म हुई. Now she done a reasonably good job. मतलब अच्छा काम किया था, but a lot of connectivity with the audience was missing. So it is a book on how women can literally build themselves up by having a support system around them. हम लोग support system के बगैर नहीं function कर सकते. Women cannot grow professionally if they don't have a support system. Men still can, but women can't do it. And when I say support system, I don't mean support system मतलब घर का काम करने के लिए, मतलब literally for your kids, for your family, for parents, for कि आज मैं अगर यहाँ पे हूँ, my mom बीमार है, I can call a friend and tell them please go take care of mom because I have to be at a podcast. That kind of support system I'm talking about, right? Which is like aligning all your stakeholders together. So I remember I was writing this. My daughter was learning theater at that point in time. एंड मेरे पास ना गाड़ी का इतना फ्यूल नहीं होता था कि मैं जाऊं फिर वापस आऊं फिर दोबारा जाऊं उसको लेने के लिए. सो व्हाट आई टू टू वेट इट आउट इन द स्कूल. तो कहीं पे लैपटॉप अपना खोला, वो आई थिंक डोंगल होते थे तब, वो 4G वाले. So I put that and I was typing something. So then she finished the theater class. I said, Navika, just give me 2 minutes. I just need to finish something like this happened. I was writing. She's like, Mama, ये तो आपकी स्टोरी है. So I said, yeah. So she's like, she's like, you can let auntie take the story away from you. I said, beta, it's okay. I mean, I'm getting paid for it. And she said, Mama, but जब आपको अपना मेमोir लिखना होगा फिर उसमें फिर सब कुछ आंटी की बुक में डाल दोगे तो. So and it was a very very powerful. Because it was literally about how I had aligned as a single parent my stakeholders and how I had built an ecosystem or a support system around me. So वो literally हम लोगों ने free में ज्ञान देके उसमें डाल दिया. And my daughter was so upset about it. She was and 3 months after the book got published, they debuted at the Jaipur Literary Fest. हाय मेरा दिल मेरे को लगा तो मतलब and so yeah, that was one story that really hit us, but I'm like ठीक है, it's okay.
कि समटाइम्स इट फील्स लाइक कि यार सिर्फ मेरे अलावा किसी को नहीं पता होगा कि यार एक ये तो मैंने लिखी है या मैंने हेल्प ही किया है यार, मतलब XYZ.
But we would love to see RBS Reflects again in some form, maybe
Thank you so much. That is so
in
sweet.
Substack way,
I
or way.
got
I'm
it
ready
about
to
it completely. अब हम सिर्फ वो कहते हैं ना वर्चुअल ज्ञान डिजिटल ज्ञान की जगह पर इन पर्सन ज्ञान दे रहे हैं यहाँ बैठ के. But I thank you so much for saying that. I think I will go back to doing that. Thank you.
You were talking about support system in the lines, in between the lines. If someone really wants to build a support system or people around them, how could one start? Like, what things helped you in your journey that someone who is listening, or even me, can apply in my life and have that support system that you mentioned in your stories that you had?
अच्छे इसका ना एक ही वो है that you have to invest in good people, in relationships, and without being transactional about it. I am not your friend today, strangers to friends, because I think that both of you, आप लोग कभी कहीं पे मेरे काम आओगे, or I can use you for something, or I can ask you for something. I'm here just for the vibe of it all. It's very non-transactional. आप लोग sweet हो, आप लोगों ने मुझे बुलाया, I'm here, I'm doing the podcast, you will do your thing. And that's just about it. I mean, I meet you somewhere, I'll be very warm, kind, and like, oh, these two boys did a fantastic job, etc., etc. But it's a very non-transactional relationship, right? So I think a lot of us forget to build those non-transactional relations. I'm telling you, when I was going through my divorce and moved from Bombay to Delhi, my friends, my core group of friends in Bombay, they kept me like this, कि इसको हाथ लगा के दिखाओ types. And that kind of what do you say? I mean, that kind of I don't even have words to say. I mean, I can just cry right now. And my girls, they just like कि Ritika is like our thing. And I never built relationships with them thinking कि कभी मेरा divorce होगा तो तुम लोग मेरे काम आओगे या मुझे कभी इस चीज की जरूरत होगी. I mean, still my core group of friends are still in Bombay. And these are those kind of relationships where my son had to do an internship 3 years back. हाँ 2 3 3 साल back. Third year में इनका mandatory होता है ना internship आप बच्चों का. So we were looking for a place to do it. So one friend called me and I said he's doing his, thing in PR and digital marketing. So I don't know who to look at. He says, you crazy woman, you pick up the phone, call so and so person, common group of friends. Please give him a call. His wife works in this company. She's the Asia head. Can you? I said, नहीं यार वो सिखा she's अच्छा. He said, that's what, relationships are for. I said, I've never done that. I know him for 20 years. He was my ex-husband's first boss. I mean, so his super boss or whatever. तो आई फोन उठाया घुमाया मैं कहा यार मेरा आइडिया नहीं है उसका आइडिया है तो मिल give me some time let me figure it out with my wife. ऐसे ठीक है आधे घंटे में उसका फोन आ गया कि ये ईमेल आईडी है इस पे सब सीवी भेजो और लेस देन 24 hours के अंदर उसको इंटर्नशिप मिल गई बॉम्बे में अब and it's like one of the biggest companies in the world again in PR. No life of and we don't know this stuff, right? This happened. Then I was like, Acha, hun bada siyapa because he was studying in Pune. So now it means that Abu se, I was wanting him to do it in Delhi because Delhi had friends where he could go and stay. Though Bombay में भी थे, but 2 महीने के लिए बच्चा they party, they will go out, they have their own routines. अब घर भी छोटे छोटे से कहाँ तुम कैसे manage करोगे? So one of my friends, I gave them a call and I said, यार ये पंगा पड़ गया अब उसको बॉम्बे में मिल तो गई है 5,000 रुपए देंगे उसको तो मैं कहाँ पे क्या अफोर्ड करूँ I don't know what to do. तो he said तू एक काम कर and I'm telling you this is real story. He said just ask him to pack his bags and come to Bombay and stay with us for a week. We look for a house for him. I said, so you don't want me to come? मुझे आने की जरूरत नहीं है. I was still trying to figure my financials and every penny counts or counted at that point of time. तो he says नहीं तू रहने दे तू माता we'll figure it out. I said ठीक है. So वो गया 1 हफ्ता उनके घर रहा खाना पीना सब कुछ. They treated him like a child. मतलब बिल्कुल बच्चा होता है ना जो हॉस्टल से निकला हुआ तुम पंजाबी खाना खिला खिला के उसको. 3 of my friends went through some connect, saw a place, figured the shit out, paid 50,000 down payment, and then came home and told me कि तेरे बच्चे का घर हमने कर दिया हुआ है, साफ सुथरी जगह, सेफ सिक्योर, विदाउट आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चन। वो सेफ सिक्योर जगह है, ऐसे ऐसे वहां से एंट्री, वहां से एग्जिट है, ऑफिस इतनी दूर है, ऐसे मेट्रो लेके चले जाएगा, फलाना हो जाएगा, ढिमकाना हो जाएगा, ढिमका। सो आई सेड, कहते मैं विद इन द नेक्स्ट 2-3 days आई विल मूव हिम देयर, डोंट वरी। एंड आई सेड द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस, वो कौन है, क्या है? आई सेड एड्रेस दे दो, ये तो उसने कहते यार मेरा एक दोस्त है, डोंट वरी, मैं ऑफिस में ही उसके आगे उसका कोई रिलेटिव है, so I have full control. So don't worry. I mean, I said my son should be safe, and I just forget about it. So all of it was done. Next 3 days they went. All these three people are moving my son to that house in Bombay. फिर मैं कहा अच्छा अब तुम अपना दो, आई हैव टू पे यू बिकॉज 50,000 ही सेज ऑफ कोर्स, सो दे अकाउंट है, इसमें पैसे डाल दो और बात खत्म। तो वो पेमेंट करता रहा, मैं उसको पेमेंट करती रही, एंड दिस इज हाउ आई नेवर हैड टू स्टेप इन बॉम्बे एवर। एंड देन ही वेंट ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स इन बॉम्बे, और जिसके घर वो जाता था वहां से उसको अचार के डब्बे, उसको पापड़, उसको फलाना, उसको खाना, उसको एवरीथिंग वाज गिवन। सो दोज रिलेशनशिप्स आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ अस डोंट बिल्ड, एंड हम लोग हमेशा ये सोच के रिलेशनशिप्स बनाते हैं दैट इससे हमें क्या फायदा हो सकता है, और व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर मी। आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन। आई विल गो एंड आई विल sit with the, I mean, I've had crazy situations. Max Hospital ka jo person who manages their traffic and their parking attendant, so to say, every time I would go and say, Sasigal Bhaji, ki haal chal hai? And things would, and he would say, all good, madam. से 3-4 बार ही हुआ। Unfortunately, घर में कोई ना कोई बीमार, 4 बारी मैं, 5 बारी कोई सर्जरी हो रही, किसी की हो रही। So there've been stages when life was a little more panicky. I'm telling you, I would get the car in the gate. I would leave everything, including my wallet and everything. Maybe so wallet पकड़ के, phone पकड़ के I would run. गाड़ी की चाबियां ना मैं पाजी सांभ ली। उसको मुझे नहीं पता मेरी गाड़ी कहाँ है, किसके पास है, वो लेके भाग गया, वो क्या हो रहा है। And he's my Facebook friend, okay? And he would write comments on what I'm saying. So my brother once saw this. He said, "You crazy woman! What are you even doing? You have like the likes of a Dr. Manoj Wada, who literally used to run Max Hospital. He's like the senior most doctor. I'm talking about 5-7 years back. वो भी तुम्हारा Facebook friend है और ये try." I said, this is what life is all about. So I think it is just that we just forget that we have to connect with people at a human to human level. It doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter what gender you belong to, what financial background you have, what social background you have. Just vibe with people. I think वहां से तुम्हारा वो aligning all stakeholders, वहां से तुम्हारा support system शुरू होता है। When you're just there and you have to show up for your friends, you have to show up for your family, you have to be there for them. It cannot be a one way relationship. मैं तो ये भी बोलती हूँ कि खुशियां मनाने के लिए भी तुम्हें दोस्त यार चाहिए होते हैं। You need to, when I'm celebrating something that my daughter has achieved, I've achieved, I need 10 friends to go and tell them that let's celebrate, I did this, or this is what we've achieved. It's not about कब मेरे कौन काम आ सकता है। सो आई थिंक वो पार्ट बहुत से लोग मिस कर जाते हैं।
बट आपने ऐसे मेंशन करा तो मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया उसमें। एक तो है नॉन ट्रांजैक्शनल होना, एक ऑन दी ऑपोजिट आस्क फॉर हेल्प समटाइम्स, एंड एक जो लोग काफ़ी सोचते हैं कि मेरा टाइम तो नहीं वेस्ट हो जाएगा अगर मैं नॉन ट्रांजैक्शनल की तरफ जा रहा हूँ, तो मेरे पास लिमिटेड टाइम ही है, तो मैं कैसे इन्वेस्ट करूँगा कि मेरे को क्या पता वो बंदा अच्छा है कि नहीं है, वो तो आफ्टर लेटर ऑन पता लगता है। तो इन 3 चीज़ों को अगर हम
चीज ना, यू टेक सम रिस्क्स, यू टेक सम रिस्क इन लाइफ। बंदा नहीं ठीक निकला, नहीं, मैंने शादी नहीं करा ली, मतलब नहीं ठीक नहीं, क्या करें, उसको मैं नहीं जमी, मैं उसको नहीं जमी, सब नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ। So what do we do? So what? I know. So things will go wrong. You cannot always say I have a perfect set of friends. I mean, आपके फ्रेंड ग्रुप में भी 10 लोग होते हैं, एक दो भी, it's all right. I mean, किसने मुझे बोला मुझे 100 में 100 नंबर चाहिए हर बारी, and I don't need 100 out of 100 every time. There'll be times I'll make mistakes. There'll be times I will uh, get close to somebody and then regret it, which is fine too. I mean, some people are very good at masking. Sometimes I am the one, I could be in a certain state of mind where I'm saying, "Okay, today I'm feeling a little adventurous, so let's just go and have fun with this, girl today." फिर तुम उसके नहीं, इससे बात मतलब नहीं हो सकता, this vibe is not matching. It's happened so many times with men, it's happened so many times with family, it happened so many times. So it's okay, it's not part of it. I mean, तुम्हें क्यों समय 100 नंबर चाहिए? ठीक है, अगर 80 भी, मतलब I just say out of 10-15 friends you have, 5 of them show up. In case you're in trouble, I think you're in a tempered place.
मेरे एक फ्रेंड है, वो ना बात करते हैं कि जो आपने ऐसे स्टोरी बताई कि everyone is around him कि मैं बोलता हूँ यार आपके पास कैसे हमेशा कोई ना कोई बंदा होता है जिस टाइम पे आपको कोई ना कोई चाहिए होता है। कहते तो मेरे को ना हमेशा लोग यही बोलते हैं कि यार तेरे पास तो हमेशा कोई ना कोई बंदा होता है, तेरे को कोई ना कोई बंदा जानता होता है जो कोई काम करा लेता है। कहता बट पीपल ऑलवेज सी कि वो 5 लोग जो खड़े हुए हैं, बट वो जो 95 जो नहीं खड़े हुए, कहता वो जिनमें मैंने भी इन्वेस्ट किया था वो जो नहीं खड़े होते। तो आई थिंक आपको 100 में तो इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, आपके चांसेस ऑब्वियसली वो 1 और 10% है जो लास्ट में बच गया, और इवन 5 पीपल शोइंग अप इज द
एक ना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा किसी ने, माय डॉक्टर इनफैक्ट, we were in a hospital setting. I was going through an anxiety attack. I was having this conversation. He was attending to someone. He's a cardiologist. He was attending to someone. So it's like, not a very happy atmosphere. और मैं अपना अपना रोना धोना समूह लेके 5-6 साल पुरानी बातें मैं बैठी हुई थी. And I started telling him, I said, I feel so cheated in life. मेरे साथ ये हो गया, फलाना. Like most of us do that, I invested and this and things in Booker. So then he asked me something very beautiful and it's never ever left me. And he said that, Ridhya, मुझे एक बात बता, तेरे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you have been loved by people जिनको तुम उतना प्यार नहीं करते हो? I was like, yeah, all the time. So I could name a couple of friends. I could name some family that ये तो मेरे लिए बहुत करते हैं. मैंने इनके लिए कुछ नहीं किया आज तक. So that's exactly what I'm trying to say. So हम लोगों का पेन वहीं से शुरू होता है कि when I am being nice to you or I have done you a favor, that I want everything back from you only, but the universe does not work like that. The universe will say it will not come from you, it will probably come from him. So when they say that, that one good deed comes around. So it मेरे साथ तो बहुत examples ऐसे हुए that someone has been nice to me. I've not been able to pay them back in any way, but then I have moved it forward and done exactly something like this to someone else. Like I remember when I was expecting my daughter in Bombay, I told my ex कि मैं ना मुझे माँ चाहिए ना मुझे सास चाहिए, मेरे को ना बस ये बॉम्बे में इंडिपेंडेंटली सब कुछ करना है. आई डोंट वांट बोथ ऑफ देम बिकॉज फिर एक आएगी फिर दूसरा आएगी, देन दे विल गिव मी 1000 instructions and this is my second child. I think I want to manage it. So I have a friend who was my literally my kids godparents, and she saw me and she मैं अपने बेटे को लेके वॉक करती थी, was 3.5 and then she asked me, she said, why don't you carry him anymore? I said, because I'm expecting and this and that. She's a Punjabi girl married to a Marwadi guy, साथ वाली बिल्डिंग में रहते थे. सडनली शी सेड, आज के बाद देखो परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं, आज से मैं ही तेरी सास और मैं ही तेरी माँ. लिटरली 2 month old friendship. Okay, she's 10 years older than me. 2 month old friendship. I kid you not. And she took over my life like, I mean, यार वो उनके पास उनके घर में एक गाड़ी थी. वो अपने हस्बैंड को कैब में भेजती थी ऑफिस और अपनी गाड़ी में मेरे को डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाती थी. I mean, those kind of friendships, and I know for 2 months, मैं जिंदगी में उसका कुछ नहीं सवारा. Then बीच में there was a time for 10 days I was bedridden. So the doctor said there is some fibroid growth, something in my, I think, 7th month. So you just have to lie flat. मुझे नहीं पता मेरे घर में मेरा बच्चा कौन संभाल रहा था, वो 10 दिन खाना किधर से आ रहा था, कौन से दोस्त के घर से आ रहा था. And I'm in that city only for a year, less than a year. मतलब लेस देन अ ईयर में, साल कम में, और ये लोग आ रहे हैं मेरा घर चला रहे हैं. किसी को मेड आ रही है, थालियां पकड़ पकड़ के ला रहे हैं, मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं तुम्हारे हस्बैंड को राजमा कैसे पसंद नहीं, तुम पंजाबी हो, हाउ डू यू हैव राजमा. आई डोंट नो हाउ माय हाउस ran for those 10 days. I never was able to pay it back to my friend. And I told her, I said, you too grown up and too elderly to have a child, तो मैं आपकी सेवा कैसे करूं, आप तो प्रेग्नेंट होगे नहीं तो मैं कैसे सेवा करूं. And she said something so beautiful. She said कि तुम मेरे लिए मत करना बट आगे पास ऑन कर दियो. मैं कहा अच्छा ठीक है. Like random stuff, and we don't believe in all of these things. Immediately after my daughter was born, within 4 months we shifted our building. So we moved to another building which was very far away. And I met this girl in the lift who was crying her heart out and saying मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. पूरी बिल्डिंग में हम 4 लोग रहते थे in 100 flats. So I said, okay, come over, we'll have a cup of tea, ये वो this and that. And she hated kids. She's like, I can't deal with kids. ना मुझे किसी बच्चे की शक्ल पसंद है. They were a young couple, recently moved from London, so they're trying to figure out their life in Bombay. सब ड्रामा हुआ. 6 महीने के बाद she's telling me, you know what I'm expecting. I said, what the fuck is wrong with you? She says, no, I realize that, kids can be nice. I've seen yours. They're very
Kids
cute.
can be nice.
No, seriously, they're really nice. They're adorable. They're doing well. I can do this. So what my friend did for me is exactly what I did for her. She was somebody that I met in the lift. We hardly knew each other for matlab 2-3 months, and she was saying now you're. So I still remember when she was having her labor pains, this stupid girl is calling me and saying चल मेरे साथ breach candy. मैंने कहा एक्सक्यूज मी, जब ऐसी सिचुएशन होती तो आप अपनी सास और अपने पति को साथ लेके जाते, दोस्त को नहीं लेके जाते. एंड आई सेड इट इज 7:30 इन द इवनिंग. जैसे मुझे नहीं पता, मैं तो तेरे साथ ही जाऊंगी. हम दोनों पागलों की तरह ब्रीच कैंडी में बैठे हैं. शी इज द डॉक्टर्स लाइक रितिका, द सेम गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट वी हैड. रितिका शी इज डायलेटेड, शी इज फुली डायलेटेड, इसका तो बेबी होने वाला है. ऐसे कोई तो प्लीज इसके हस्बैंड को बुला दो. माँ बाप बच्चे सास ससुर किसी को तो बुला दो. दिस इज जस्ट टू मच नाउ. No, no, you stay here. You're not going anywhere. So I'm sitting with a fully dilated friend, and I'm उसका पति कब पहुंचेगा. और सास को फोन करी तो आंटी लाइक बेटा पैकिंग कर क्या रहे. It was so crazy. And I think I reached home, and after an hour she delivered a baby. And I think life just came a full circle for me, because जो जो चीजें मेरे को मेरी फ्रेंड ने करी थी, acting like my mother and my सास, मेरे लिए पिन्नियां भी बन बन के आ रही थी, सब कुछ हो रहा था. That's exactly what I did. So I think the expectation that you were asking, that मैंने इसके साथ ऐसा किया, somebody didn't turn out right, but don't worry, it'll come back to you 100-fold from someone else. Fortunately वहां से हो सकता है ना आए. That's the deal.
Kindness always travels back to you in
It
some form.
should, sometimes it doesn't.
हाँ.
It should. होनी
Like
चाहिए.
like
मेरे
from
पास तो
other
हाँ.
other place कि यहाँ से नहीं आया तो किसी और से आ गया.
मैं तुम्हें इतना प्यार करता हूँ, मैं तुम उस बंदे को या बंदी को उतना प्यार नहीं करते हो, फिर तुम्हें समझ आ जाती है कि भैया ये काफी बैलेंस किया हुआ नेचर ने किसी तरीके से यार.
तो ये इसका वो एस्टरिस्क के ऊपर कि आपको एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए कि कहीं और से भी आ जाएगा. आपको करना है सिर्फ करने के लिए, नॉट कि कहीं से आ जाएगा इसलिए आज मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूँ.
I mean, I think that's what I'm saying. You have to be non-transactional. You just have to be a good human being. I mean, I want to help you because I want to help you. I mean, it's about me. It's not कि मुझे कहीं और से. इतना नहीं हम overthink करते life को. Just be a nice, kind human being, and I think life pretty much प्यार से बात करो, आराम से बात करो, integrity रखो. Life इतना ज़्यादा complicated होनी नहीं चाहिए. हमने बनाई हुई है.
So last question before starting our rapid fire. He'll explain what that is. Yeah. So after death, brain lives for 7 minutes.
Yes.
And plays your wonderful, सबसे lovely memory.
I heard. मैंने सुना है.
So if it's true, so आपको क्या लगता है कि आपका ब्रेन कौन सी मेमोरी प्ले करेगा आपकी लाइफ में अभी?
I think everything about my kids.
Everything about your kids. 7 minutes will be all around your kids.
I think, and maybe some parts of my father. My father was my soulmate. I think मैं अभी भी 36 years में भी denial में चल रही हूँ. मुझे अभी भी लगता है I get weird dreams like somebody has come and told me in my dream, like Guru Gobind Singh Ji has come and told me in my dream that, you know what, because my father was an Indian Air Force fighter pilot posted in Suratkal, which is close to the border. So some random dream comes to me and it's like saying, ki, you know what, your father is expecting you. I'm like, excuse me. So then Babaji के साथ तो मैं ऐसी बात नहीं करती हूँ, but मेरी conversation होती है. I said, excuse me. So he's like saying कि बच्चे हो ना, he's not dead, he's still alive. I said, so and he should have contacted us. He knows where we live. He knows everything about us. So he said, no, he's lost his memory. He's sitting outside the Harmandir Sahib and he's taken care of, but he has lost his memory. So now you have to go and you have to find him. And now this is mind fucking because you don't know how to deal with this. So I think मैं अभी भी डिनाइल में हूँ. अभी मतलब मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रही. कॉल इट व्हाट यू विल. सो आई थिंक लार्जली इट विल बी about him. I think, and a lot I owe to my mom because she's been my rock solid thing. So saying all the beautiful moments I've had with her. My brother is my soulmate again. I mean, I would kill or die for him, whatever. I would have memories around him. But I think बच्चों की थोड़ी ज़्यादा होंगी because my time spent with them has been largely a little. And I think some parts to COVID or menopause, I don't know what it is. बचपन की बहुत सी यादें काफी खत्म भी होगी. But अगर उन 7 minutes में वो आएंगी तो largely यही सब आएगा.
Beautiful, beautiful. So we have this last segment. It's called Rapid Fire Round. It's Fringe and Rapid Fire combined. So we'll ask you questions. You have to answer in one word or maybe a sentence. Or if you want to go deeper, you can as well. One reality you deep down know is true about yourself, but you can't accept.
I'm a control freak.
A belief you have changed recently.
That's I'm not here to solve the world's problems. Sometimes I have to keep telling myself that this is not my monkey and not my circus. So I keep telling myself. I usually have this other because I'm a control freak to go into other people's businesses, so to say. So now I'm minding my own business and I say, "Okay, mera kaam nahi hai. If they need help, they will reach out." So this one huge change has happened in the last about a year or so, and also about personal boundaries. I have boundaries now which I never had before.
What would be one superpower you wish you had?
One superpower. I can read somebody's mind. Know exactly what's going on in their mind. I think that'll be amazing.
That's been an answer of like almost all people when we ask what's this superpower.
हाँ, मेरे को कई बार लगता है इनविजिबल मैंने बड़े ना कार्टून्स वगैरह बहुत है क्लिक करिए इनविजिबल होके देखते
करना
हैं
क्या
आपने क्या करेंगे क्या अचीव कर लोगे उसमें से but I think superpower में if you really ask me not on a lighter note on a serious note I would love to be in a position of power to change the world अब मेरे को मिनिस्टर बना दो मेरे को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दो मुझे कुछ ऐसा कर दो जहाँ पे मैं आई वुड डू सम कोर्स करेक्शन थिंग्स विच आर हॉरिबली रॉन्ग अनफॉर्चुनेटली आम आदमी के पास ना इतने प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं ना यू नो नेटवर्क होता है ना रिसोर्सेज होते हैं सो आई वांट दैट पावर एंड दैट पोजीशन टू डू सम कोर्स करेक्शन इन द वर्ल्ड set some things right that's a superpower I want
फ्रेंडशिप्स एंड रिलेशनशिप्स बहुत अंडररेटेड है मतलब कहीं कुछ अच्छे फ्रेंडशिप्स और अच्छे रिलेशन और जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस सारा एंड यू हैव बीन सराउंडेड बाय फ्रेंड्स एंड गुड फ्रेंड्स एंड यस राइट सो एक मैसेज अगर आप उनको देना चाहें एक लाइन में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे उनको ऐसे फ्रेंड्स जिन्होंने आपको सपोर्ट किया आपके लोएस्ट टाइम्स पे
अब रुला के छोड़ोगे मतलब
कैमरा पे आप देख सकते बोल सकते हैं लाइक इट्स लाइक ए पर्सनल मैसेज फॉर देम ओनली
that I wouldn't be here without you
वाओ
यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंच सकती थी मैं कुछ कर लेती बट यहाँ तक उनके बगैर नहीं रह सकती
गूज़बम्प्स आ गया इट वाज गुड इट वाज रियली गुड
Yeah.
And relating to your previous answer about superpower, if you are given a chance to make a rule that in the world that everyone will follow, what would that be?
Uh, whoosh. I think people should not have kids without getting a mental and a health checkup done. So everybody is not meant to be a parent, and it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. So I wish there was a rule by the government somewhere that you had to clear a certain test. अगर तुम्हें यार एक engineer बनने के लिए test चाहिए तो यहाँ पे तो you are responsible for a human life, like literally human life. So if that's a rule, it could be made. I think it'll be fantastic. मेरे को बना दो प्राइम मिनिस्टर में रूल बना दो
बहुत अच्छा आंसर है ये बहुत अच्छा आंसर है लोग इस लेवल पे सोचते नहीं है लोग कहते हैं कि लाइक हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का ये सेइंग था कि बच्चे करने बहुत आसान है पालने बहुत मुश्किल है एंड वो पालने में एक जो टोल मेंटल टोल आता है वो इट्स ऑन नेक्स्ट लेवल ओनली सो आई ये रूल होना चाहिए कि मेंटली इफ़ यू आर फिट तभी बच्चे करो नहीं तो आगे लाइफ
नहीं करो
बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती
you're
है
going to fuck them up and I'll tell you something I've gone one step further than that बच्चे पैदा करने आसान है पालने बड़े मुश्किल है but I'm telling you this hear me today that सही ढंग से पालने और भी ज्यादा मुश्किल है अब वो माय मॉम यूज्ड टू से दिस कहते बेटा बच्चे तो इन गरीब बेचारे लोगों के सड़कों पे भी पल ही जाते हैं बट सही ढंग से पालना विद द राइट वैल्यू सिस्टम्स विद द राइट नेटवर्क रिसोर्सेज इकोसिस्टम दैट इज द किलर पार्ट दैट इज द किलर पार्ट
यस यस मैं भी अब इसमें ऐड कर लूंगा ये वाली लाइन किसी को बता दी होगी तो
now you
घोस्ट राइटर से किया मैंने
Wow, perfect.
so last question what is the kindest thing you have witnessed recently one kindest thing जो आपने recently पिछले हफ्ते कल के दिन
ये मैंने किया या किसी ने
मतलब आपने कोई एक्ट या आपके साथ किसी ने किया हो या कोई एक्ट विटनेस किया कि यार कितना अच्छा लगा इसने ऐसा किया
हाँ यार ये मेरे साथ तो बहुत आसपास मेरे तो इतना ज्यादा काइंडनेस मुझे कई बार ही नजर आती है इट इज समथिंग वेरी सिंपल आई वाज यू नो नॉट फीलिंग वेल आई हैड अ मेडिकल इशू and I had like the बहादुर coming, दीदी, you could see me that I was bent and तो like दीदी मैं आपके वो ले जाता हूँ, चीजें ऊपर ले जाता हूँ. The दीदी that works for us would come and say कि when मेरे आंखों में आंसू थे, lying down like बहुत पेन हो रही है and all of that, and she's like मैं आपके लिए चाय बना देती हूँ, मैं ये कर देती हूँ. I mean, there is just so much of kindness around me all the time, whether it is me. I think one cute little thing that I did was I just boarded a flight from Delhi to Chandigarh. Actually, I should be talking about it. Then it makes it shitty. Then it's not kind. I'm not going to tell you the kindness that I did. I'll just say that people are just generally, I think, very, very kind around me. You guys have called me. That's kindness. So I hope I do justice.
Ritika, ladies and gentlemen, दिस वॉज हर एंड आई थिंक द बिग टेक अवे जो मेरे को लगता है सबको इस एपिसोड से लेके जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई फील द वर्ल्ड इज़ गेटिंग अ लिटिल नेगेटिव, कि ट्रस्ट इन पीपल. इफ़ यू हैव गुड इंटेंशन, इफ़ यू आर काइंड, पीपल आर गुड टू यू इन सम सेंस. मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि हम वो ट्रस्ट करना भूल गए हैं, रैंडम ट्रस्ट करना, कि एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को अगर आप पे ट्रस्ट कर ले तो कि ठीक है ही विल हैंडल. मतलब वो ट्रस्ट इतना लूज हो गया है ना कि वी आर सो कार्डेड कि सब दुनिया मेरे लिए गलत करेगी. और हैवी ट्रू, बट स्टिल दैट लिटिल होप ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी आई थिंक कोई.
Something risks you can take ना. मेरे फ्लाइट में मेरे साथ कोई बैठा है कि ना, very nice conversation. I'm not a threat to the person, and neither is that person a threat to me. But I also realize that boundaries में ना ये चीज खत्म हो जाती है. So it's a very interesting balance, because if you want boundaries, then you can't blindly trust people around you. That because then they just invade your space and then they just misutilize that and just beat you. वो कहते हैं कि तुमने अपनी वल्नरेबिलिटी अगर किसी को दिखा दी, तुमने उसके हाथ में हमेशा के लिए परमानेंट एक डंडा दे दिया, वो जब जब चाहे तुम्हारे को पीट सकता है या पीट सकती है. सो आई एम ओके विद बीइंग वल्नरेबल, but I also have boundaries. So this balance I'm trying really hard. It's not easy to achieve. कि मैं कितना leverage आपको दे सकती हूँ, कितना मेरे से ले सकते हो. There are times that I've had very good friends who've gone out of the way to kind of, take advantage of me, which is okay too. You learn a lesson, you move back. I think जो गलती मैं करती हूँ या हम लोग अक्सर करते हैं कि हम ना पैटर्न से अपने हट के देखते नहीं है कि क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. Why this person thought that they could do harm to me or take advantage of me or misuse me and then get away with it. What have I done to change it? मैं बोल रही हूँ इससे नहीं मिलूंगी, उससे नहीं मिलूंगी, बट हम लोग कभी भी पर्सनल अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं लेते. When I'm telling you that I learned this from my previous 10, 20, 30 years of thinking back, it solved all my problems in my head. I understood what things went right, what things went wrong, because I took personal accountability. कि I was the person who did not have personal boundaries. Now, once I changed that, automatically the people around me will get filtered out. You see what I'm trying to say here? So I have trusted, I have been people pleaser, I have done all of that. But at the same time, now I'm saying that if you have done this once with me, I will be kind enough for maybe twice. But third time, mera pattern hai. Then it's on me. I mean, at the third time you're manipulating me and I'm allowing you to get away with it. So I have to take personal accountability. हम सारी दुनिया भर बोलते हैं हम विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले कर लेंगे. इसने मेरे साथ गलत कर दिया, उसने मेरे साथ ये कर दिया, उसने मेरे साथ ये नहीं किया. अरे भैया, ये तुम्हारे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है? तो थोड़ा सा मतलब इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करो and figure it out for yourself. Yeah, that pointing towards you, one finger, three are pointing back. That's something my dad used to say. So थोड़ा सा personal accountability अपने issues के लिए लेनी शुरू करो. Understand why things are going wrong and change it. You can't change the world. खुद को तो थोड़ा सा बताए कि अपनी, I don't call it anything. I don't say that I have attitude or I just call it self-preservation. यहाँ देख रहे हो दो लोग चल रहा है, दो मिनट्स के बीच में झगड़ा हो रहा है, just walk away. स्नॉब्स नहीं, बच्चे नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. Like, किसको पहले पानी चलाना है, किसको पहले पोछा लगाना है, किसको पहले झाड़ू लगाना है. So it's like, not my monkey, not my circus. I think the life will go on without this issue. So पहले मैं वहाँ पे I used to मारो entry. So now this is just a small example. What I'm just saying is a lot of things. And I just, when my mom will tell me something like, hush, not my monkey, not my circus. जो मम्मी आप भी छोड़ो उसको, आप कहाँ बीच में लगे हो जाएगा अपने आप, they'll sort it out. And if genuinely someone needs help, they will reach out to you. They will make that phone call. They will ask for a meeting. They will cry. They will do whatever they have to get your attention if they really, really are looking for answers. Most of the time, people are just playing their victim cards.
So I think I should end this podcast with this one thing कि it's your responsibility to be kind and to trust other person, बट इट्स नॉट योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि उसने अगर आपके साथ कुछ गलत कर दिया, आपको वहाँ पे हट जाना चाहिए कि लाइक यू आर कटिंग ऑफ दैट पर्सन, ओके हो गया गलत हो गया, एंड देन यू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि अब मैंने ऐसा क्या किया कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. सो वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी वाली बात तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दूसरे पर्सन का है कि उसने जो भी किया उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो वो जो किया उस पर छोड़ो आप. यो आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये बनता है कि यू शुड बी काइंड टू ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन अराउंड यू, एंड दैट्स इट.
ठीक है, नहीं मिली काइंडनेस, वापस नहीं मिली, कहीं और से आ जाएगी, वो भी नहीं मिली तो भी ठीक है, एटलीस्ट यू डिड योर गुड थिंग, यू गेट अ गुड नाइट स्लीप. तुम्हें रात को नींद अच्छी आती, तुम्हें नहीं परेशान होते कि हमने किसी के लिए कुछ किया, कुछ गलत किया, किसी को लूटा, किसी को झूठ बोला, किसी को कुछ किया. यू स्लीप वेल एट नाइट, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट्स ऑल अबाउट.
Beautiful conversation. Thanks for doing this with us. We are glad to have you here.
Thank you so much, boys. I love you so much, both of you. Thank you. आज दो बारी रुला चुके हो तुम लोग मुझे, but it's been a genuinely beautiful conversation, and I think I've learned so much about myself also today. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
This was Strangers to Friends podcast. I'm Vaibhav Joshi.
This is Aksham Narad.
Meet you in the next episode.
Bye.